Again, I like to think of the custom motorcycle shop as the perfect example of where you'd want to use jobs, right? I don't want to create a bill of material that shows all of the pieces and components that I'm going to put into that rear wheel assembly. Right. I just want to say, hey, I need to order one of these tires. I need to order, I'm going to make a rim. I need to order an axle or whatever.
It's all for one-off product.
So it's I don't have a structured bill of material. I just have all the pieces, a flat bill of material, if you will, or the pieces that I need to make it. And the job tasks describe the various tasks that I have to do to build that motorcycle. And those can be, I could just have maybe 2 or 3 tasks that describe the major elements of building that, or I could have 100 tasks, and I break it down very granularly into, build, design the gas tank.
Right.
Another one to manufacture the gas tank. Another one to paint the gas tank. So there's really no rules of how detailed or how summary level you can build a job task. It's really just any level at which you want to be able to monitor your budgeted costs versus your actual costs.